how to download free fonts on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, we then scroll down and tap on display. After that, scroll down and tap on font size and style. From here, tap on font style, then tap on download fonts. At the top here, to download free fonts, you select top free, and in here, choose the font that you want to download. And that's it. All of the fonts in here are free. If you go to top fonts in here, you can also scroll down and look for fonts. Some of them doesn't cost anything. You can see there are free fonts in here. For example, this one here, it shows free. So you can scroll through the list here. Anything that doesn't have the dollar amount on it, it will be free. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. And once it is downloaded, you can go back to font style and choose that font style. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.